Yes, Your Honor.
Yun pala naman eh. O dapat talaga kasuhan ka. Tama? Tama ba ako mali?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun. Ngayon, teka, ikaw pa, sabi dito, you rose from the ranks, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kailan ka nagsimula sa DPWA?
1994 po, Your Honor.
1994. Kailan ka naging district engineer?
2019, Your Honor.
2019 ka naging district engineer.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sino ang nag-assign sa iyo to be a district engineer?
The former Secretary Mark Villar, Your Honor.
Secretary Mark Villar.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano bang ibig sabihin nun? Malakas ka ba kay Secretary Mark Villar o ikaw lamang ay tamang tao na ilagay dyan?
Nag-apply lang po ako, Your Honor, that time.
Nag-apply ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yun lang. Chairman, gusto kong bigyan linaw dito. No, ha?
Mr. Chair.
Alam nyo, mayroong mga tanong pa ako. Mamaya na lang siguro.
Mr. Chairman, short manifestation.
Alala po ba na?
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Akop. Thank you, Mr. Chair. It is in connection with the questioning of the Chairman Chua. The 2019 ka naging district engineer.
Yes po, Your Honor.
Itong mga projects na ito, which are questionable, nangyari noong anong taon?
Yung pong PLI, I think 2025 po yung tanda ko po. At yung binabanggit po ng Pangulo ay 2020, I think 2022 or 23 po yata.
Ngayon, ang tanong, engineer, kayo po ba ang nag-propose ng mga projects na ito na may isama sa NEP?
Gaya po
Pakisagot lang po. Kayo po ba ang nag-propose ng mga projects na ito para may sali doon sa NEP ng district office nyo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes. So, kayo ang nag-propose. Walang iba kundi kayo.
Yes, Your Honor.
And this was never changed by the Plans and Finance Office of the Department of Public Works and Highways.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, walang politiko na involved dito. Kayo po ang nag-propose na ito.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. That's very clear. Now, kayo po ang boss ng DEO, right?
Pardon, Your Honor.
Kayo po ang pinakamataas sa
Yes,
district
Your
office.
Honor.
Okay.
Opo.
And therefore, you're responsible sa lahat po na hindi mangyayari o mangyayari na masama. Kayo po, di ba? Kasi kayo ang boss eh.
Yes, Your Honor.
And therefore, kayo po ang may responsibilidad lahat ng katarantaduhan na nangyari doon.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Very clear.
Mr. Chair.
Congressman Siwan. And then Congressman Dimag.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, may I just
Suwan.
be
Dimag, Gila. Congressman Ko. Then we will go to the next interpellator. Okay? Which is, who's here? Congressman Tino for the minority. Di ba, Maya? We're just stating the order.
Mr. Chair, may I just be clarified? Engineer Alcantara, you were promoted as district engineer in 2019.
Yes, Your Honor.
Who appointed you?
Secretary Mark Villar. Yes, Your Honor.
So it was the
Former
former secretary, and that was from the previous administration, the former president.
Yes, Your Honor.
Right, next,
Check.
Congressman Dimagila.
Can we flash yung contract ng February 2025? Yung kontrata. 2025.
Please flash
Yung
daw
kay-
po yung
Kaya ni
PL
kay Chairman
contract.
Chua.
Sims Construction Trading Contract.
Engineer, pag pumipirma tayo, we're very mindful of the dates at saka yung project kung ilang araw na. There's this contract yung goes na 55 million. In less than a month from February, then the next month, March, nakakubra ng more than 45 million in less than a month. Is that possible?
Depende po, Your Honor.
Flood control. Ito yung ghost, ha? Ito yung ghost, sabi ni Presidente.
Yes, Your Honor.
Then the next month, yung ayan, ito. February 24, 2025. Contract agreement. Hindi naman agad sa February 24 nag-start yan. Siyempre, di ba? Meron pang award yan, etc. Then the next slide, yung resibo. Yung resibo. March 19. Aba, wala pa talagang isang buwan. March 19, nakabayad ng 43 million. Yung una. First, yung partial payment. Less than a month. Ito ha. I mean, napakahirap intindihin. Kasi nga, ghost eh. Ito ang problema eh. Ghost to eh. Now, posible ba yan, engineer?
I think depende po, Your Honor, kung kasi sa flood control po yung sheet file, they can do it within 3 weeks. Or
Engineer, tingin ko nga kinabukasan pwedeng mag 95% completion. Mali ka doon. Kinabukasan pwede. Ghost kasi. Diba? Now, engineer, sabi mo, nag-rely ka masyado sa mga staff mo, yung iyong project engineer, yung iyong mga nagpapayad, no? Kasama mo ba sila sa opisina?
Yes, Your Honor.
Kasama mo sila sa opisina? Araw-araw, pag may pasok, syempre, kasama mo
Yes, Your
sila.
Honor.
Tapos sabi mo kanina, hindi mo personal na napupuntahan, pero weekly, may pa-meeting ka.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sabi mo, nag-rely ka sa kanila at nagpe-present sila ng pictures.
Yes, Your Honor.
Anong picture yung pinresent sa'yo? Ghost project nga ito.
Yun po ang, actually, nung sinita ko po yung implementing section, nung nalaman ko po may ganyan, sinita ko po bakit nangyaring mga ganyang bagay. For the information of the Honorable, Your Honor, I'm the one who report to Secretary Bonoan on August 7 at 5 p.m. upon investigating these matters, Your Honor.
Pumutok na kasi.
Your Honor, hindi pa po nagpupunta si Presidente na ako po yung nag-report.
Well, pero pumutok na. Nagsona na eh. Pumutok na. And of course, alam niyo na mangyayari. Now, engineer, sa tingin mo, you rose from the rank, bakit ikaw ang huling pipirma? Ano yung ibig sabihin ng ikaw ang huling pipirma? Ano ibig sabihin?
Ako po yung pinakamataas.
Yes, I mean, bukod ba sa pinakamataas, hindi ba may kasama itong mas mataas na obligasyon?
I think, Your Honor.
Diba? Tapos, engineer, pag tayo nagbabayad, sabi mo, bank to bank na ito, di ba? Pero may resibo eh. So obviously, upon the issuance ng receipt, may corresponding check eh.
No, wala po.
Wala.
LDAP po, Your Honor. LDAP.
LDAP, okay.
Opo, Your Honor.
Sino yung staff sa office mo na sumasama sa kontrakto?
Sumasama po sa
Pag pagkukubra sa land bank.
Hindi po, bank to bank po yan, Your Honor.
Okay,
Transfer
let's say,
directly
sasabihin
to
ng
bank.
kontraktor, nag-withdraw na ako. Sino yung staff ng opisina mo ang pumupunta sa kontrakto?
Wala po. Diretso po ang withdraw po. Bahala na po sila doon. From DBP to contractor po, accounting po ang nagsasabit sa bangko ng listahan po ng i-release.
Engineer, yung mga staff mo na pinagkatiwalaan mo, pumirma at sinabing na-inspeksyon na niya. At iyon ang pinaniwalaan mo, tama?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pinirmahan niya na na-inspeksyon niya, pero hindi. Tama?
Tama po.
Hindi, tama. Pwede ba nating i-assume na kaya siya pumirma na na-inspeksyon niya dahil kasabot siya noong kontraktor?
Posible po, Your Honor.
Talagang ganun.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yung magbabayad, yan ay siyempre, kasama yan. Kasama yan. Ngayon, sa opisina, hindi mo naramdaman na nagpapartihan sila? Gumanda ang buhay nila?
Wala po akong ganong pananaw sa kapwa ko, Your Honor.
Wala kang ganong pananaw.
Actually po, hindi ko po, hindi pinagin naman yung private.
Hindi mo pinag-isipan yung mga staff mo na parang ang bilis nating magtrabaho ah. Ang bilis nating magtrabaho. Diba? Tapos punta naman, yun yung ghost, puntahan ko yung substandard. I mean, nais ko si Presidente, hawak yung simento na nadudurog daw sa kamay niya. Tingin ko, kung nandoon kayo, baka ipato sa inyo yun eh. Diba? I mean, alam natin yung trabaho ng mga engineers eh. May project monitoring kayo, may technical kayo, and yet hindi nyo ginawa. Hindi ginawa out of kapabayaan. Ginawa niyo yun kasi intentional dahil meron kayong ibang intention. And pag yung ibang sinapi na natin, yung mga staff ng sinapi na natin, definitely, magsasalita sila. At tingin ko, kinakailangan i-clarify na natin ito.
Yes, Your Honor. I agree with you, Your Honor.
That is all, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Congressman De Maguila, Congressman Ko. And then we'll proceed to the interpellation of Congressman. Congressman Ko muna. Pero short lang Congressman Santos. Sige ba? Short. Okay. Please proceed.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I would like to raise a question to our district engineer. What will be the basis of your collection in the projects in your respective district?
Connection, Your Honor.
Collection.
Collection. Collection po, Your Honor. The basis of my collection is the signature of my accountant.
No, but I mean that the collection will be based on a percentage accomplishment of work.
Yes, Your Honor.
Am I
Yes, Your
correct
Honor.
to say that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, how could you collect a ghost project?
Your Honor, as
What
I-
is the basis of your collection to a ghost projects, to those unfinished projects, and to those substandard one? Because this is under the supervision by the project engineer. Am I correct to say that?
yes, Your Honor.
That there will be attached SWOT to a progressive billing
Yes, Your Honor.
statement of working assessment.
Yes,
Am I
Your Honor.
correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, are you amenable that you are part of this project anomalous?
I'm not, Your Honor.
Amenable?
I'm not. Di po ako involved dyan, Your Honor.
You are not involved. So, how come that there is what we call a ghost project or substandard one? Well, in fact, we have a quality assurance unit that there will be a daily inspections at the time they have constructed after it was implemented. How come?
Yes, Your Honor. I do believe that there is a engineer in charge of the quality. That is the materials and quality section, Your Honor.
Yes, I know for the fact, but that is under your command responsibility.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you agree to that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, I would like to raise these questions. Who are in charge of project contract management application? Who are in charge of this? Because this is the counterpart of quality assurance unit. The functions and duties is to monitor projects, transparency, and geotagging. Am I correct to say that?
Yes, Your Honor.
So there's no possibility that there will be a project of ghost, project of substandard, and unfinished project.
Your Honor, the PCMA was...
So I move, Mr. Chair, that those identified respective engineering district who is in cahoots with a contractor should be suspended immediately. This is what we call a preventive suspension to prevent them from further doing wrong. So move, Mr. Chair. This is the preventive suspension to prevent them from parting wrong. No, this is not the solutions of the problem that one district engineer who committed a mistake should be transferred to another district engineering. So because our constituents now is in quandary, ano na ngayon ang sistema ng investigasyon? He must be suspended at the earliest possible time, preventive suspension. So move, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Ko. To be very clear, I think this is a manifestation urging the DPWH to preventively suspend all
Those
involved persons.
identified engineering district was in cahoots with our contractor so that they will be having a sanctions or fine or else walang mapuntahan itong investigasyon na ito. So move, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Ko. Yusek Cabral, do you have a response to this? I think Congressman Ko is urging the DPWH leadership to undertake a preventive suspension.
We take
Similar
note,
to, excuse me, let me finish first.
we take note, Your Honor, of
I
the
said let me finish.
motion to
Let me finish
suspend.
first.
Yes, Your Honor.
Similar to what had been imposed on Mr. Alcantara. I think that is the request of Congressman Ko. What is the response?
Your Honor, we take note of the motion and we will relay that to the new Secretary of DPWH. But from what I know, parang naka-apply na po yata yung suspension doon sa buong Bulacan.
It was already suspended or it was only transferred from one engineering district. It is not appropriate. And it was no less than the President himself na nakita na there is really an anomalous transactions as far as flood control is concerned. Look, we have 9,863 flood control projects starting 2022 up to 2025. 6,021. There will be no clear record kung ilan ang ghost, ilan ang na-suspend ng mga projects. So move.
All right,
Mr.
thank you,
Chair.
Congressman Ko. We will allow Yusek Cabral to respond. Who will respond? And then, Yusek
Mr.
Alcantara.
Yusek Caldas, sir.
Yes po.
Former Secretary Bonoan has already imposed the preventive suspension of all the officers of Bulacan First District Engineering Office from District Engineer Alcantara, Assistant District Engineer Bryce Hernandez, all the section chiefs, including the project engineer and materials engineers.
All right.
Oh, Mr. Chair, it is not only for the first engineering of Bulacan, but to those identified engineering districts involved in this anomalous transaction.
All right. Thank you, Congressman Ko. We note the previous response of Yusek Cabral that they will convey this to the new leadership of DPWH. Mr. Alcantara, do you have anything to say?
And if I may add, Your
All
Honor,
right.
and if I may add, I think the new secretary has already made his pronouncement na lahat po na ma-involve, ma-preventive suspension, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Mr. Alcantara, do you have anything to add?
Yun na po, yung sinabi po ni Yusek last na we're already suspended po. Lahat po ng district. Thank you
Okay.
po.
Congressman Santos has one interjection before Congressman Dino. Please proceed.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Ang tanong ko po ay hindi kung hindi sino ang nag-appoint kay Engineer Henry Alcantara. Hindi po yun ang tanong ko. Ang tanong ko po ay, Engineer Alcantara, during the Senate hearing, you admitted that you're going to casinos, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Sir Honor.
Ilang beses po kayo napunta sa casino, Mr. Engineer Alcantara?
Gaya po nung bilag ito sa Senate, around 2 to 3 times a month.
2 to 3 times a month. Sa palagay niyo ba, mayroon pang mga iba kayong kasamahan na nagpupunta sa casino, Engineer Alcantara?
Nabanggit ko po sa Senate hearing na paminsan-minsan nagkakasama po kami nung di umano yung mga kasama ko po. Nabanggit doon. At paminsan-minsan naman po yung ako.
So, kasama niyo po sa district office or dun sa mga taga-DPWH din po ba ang kasama niyo?
District office na po.
District office.
Yes, Sir.
So, Mr. Chair, I'd just like to make a point regarding the negligence on the part of Engineer Alcantara. Nabayaran po natin without inspecting all those projects po. Parang lumalabas po, mas prioritize po yung pagpunta nila sa casino, which is alam po nating bawal. Kaya ako po tinanong iyan, baka nangyayari po yan ngayon sa ating bureaucracy. At alam naman po natin na bawal po pumunta sa casino ang government employees and officials. And with the testimonies of Engineer Alcantara, siguro, Mr. Chair, I would like to manifest. Kitang-kita naman po yung culpability and negligence ni Engineer Alcantara. I would like to manifest to invite from the DOJ, the National Prosecution Service, because under oath po lahat itong mga testimonies nila. The DOJ, the Ombudsman, the NBI, para makasuhan na po natin itong mga taong talagang may pananagutan sa malaking problema na nangyari sa ating bansa. That's all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you. Before going to Congressman T, I think we have to be very clear lang po on what you had mentioned about negligence. I think it's already a conclusion of law. I dispute that it is merely negligence. Kasi baka it is something that is actually intentional. So in the course of inquiry, I think we have to make a determination on whether mahina lang si District Engineer Alcantara o talagang nagpabaya lang siya. Or talagang he intended to basically defraud government of its funds, particularly on the ghost projects. And we would be able to see that in the course of inquiry. Just to clarify po.
Yes, I 100% agree with you, Mr. Chair. But that is my personal point of view, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Thank you, Congressman Santos. We can proceed to Congressman Tino for his interpellation.
Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair. Medyo maiba naman po ng topic.
Pwede po bang matanong ang DPWH, ano